So here today we have a Cameroonian traditional meal called Eru, and this is a leaf called Eru. We are going to be eating it alongside with Garri. And here we have spinach, we call it water leaf. Here is our red oil, here is meat, here is pepper, this is seasoned spices, this is snails, and here we have dried fish, we call it stronkana. Here's our crayfish, and here we have salt. And down here we have our pot. Right? Great. Yeah, first I kept my meat in the pot. I added some salt inside and seasoned spices, that's Maggi. And then I'm going to cook it with just little water in the pot. You can check the water is not that much, just little. Now I'm going to cook the meat until it gets ready. Guys, because my Eru is dry, so I have to put it in warm water for it to get soft, and then when it's soft I'm going to drain the water out with my drainer. So guys, my meat is ready. You see, I added the snails and the dried fish. I added inside the meat when it was half cooked, so it's all cooked now. So I'm going to get out, and then I'll put the leaves inside. Hey guys, this is our meat and fish with the snails. Now remember our leaves, the spinach leaf. I had to wash it and then chop it, and then wash again and squeeze out the water. I drained out the water, so I'm putting it in the pot dry. Okay, the pot is dry, there's no water inside, there's no water in the pot. The same pot I used in boiling the meat, the fish and the snail, I'm using the same pot to cook the spinach. So I didn't put any water inside because the spinach has enough water. So yeah, guys, sorry I didn't tell you what I did with the Eru leaf. You guys remember the leaf that I said I kept in warm water for it to get soft because it was dry. So I kept it in warm water, and then some time, like about 10 minutes, it got soft, and then I squeezed or drained out the water. So when I kept the spinach in the pot, it got dry a little bit. So I brought in the Eru, mixed it with the spinach. So the Eru and the spinach are now to be mixed. I'm mixing it. After this, I'm gonna bring in the next thing. As you guys can see, the vegetable, there's no water in it. The water has dried out. So this is my seasoned spices called Maggi. I'm adding Maggi inside